Do you have old family photos that are faded, scratched, or blurry? Whether you want to preserve childhood memories, restore old family portraits for printing, or create high-quality versions for digital albums, you don't need to be a Photoshop expert anymore. In this video, I'll show you how to bring your old photos back to life using ArtGuru's AI restoration tool. It's available on web, iOS, and Android, and it's completely free to try. So let's dive in. Alright, here I'm at ArtGuru, and because I want to restore old photos, I'm gonna go to the section Restore Old Photo. Let's click on that one. Let's start with importing our first photo. I'm gonna use this photo. You can see it's a really old photo. It's damaged and I wanna fix this. So let's import this photo, and we don't have to do anything actually. We just have to import our photo and ArtGuru is gonna fix it for us. You can see it's now uploading photo, then it's gonna repair it. It's also gonna reduce the noise if you have noise in your photo. Then it's gonna enhance the portrait's skin. It's gonna refine the details. And last but not least, it's gonna enlarge the size. So if you have a small photo, you're gonna get a bigger photo that is good quality without any scratches or damages. All right, the photo is processed and look at that. Let's first look at the resolution. It was around 700 pixels and it got all the way up to 4000 pixels. So that's a 4K photo. And let me zoom in here so you can see this better. Look at the faces, look how good that looks. On the left side is the before. It was all damaged. It was blurry. You also see some weird stains there of the photo. It was pretty much damaged all over. And on the right side is the new one. And look how sharp that photo got. I'm zooming in all the way here. You can see all the details in the face. And look at this one also. So everyone in the photo is super sharp. And I'm pretty amazed how this looks. I like that it still has that vintage vibe, that it's still an old photo, but the quality is just perfect in 4K. And the next step to do is to download the photo. So you can click on download. You can download the original size if you don't want to change the resolution, or you can download the upscaled size and it is pretty much a 4K photo. I'm gonna go for the 4K photo. And now it's gonna save this on my computer and I'm pretty much done. Now let's do another photo so we can really compare the difference. I'm gonna close this one and I'm gonna upload a new one. If you wanna do a lot of photos at once, you can all drag them inside here. You can do up to 50 photos. Now let's do this photo. This is a baby photo. It's also a pretty old photo and I wanna fix it. I wanna have a good quality photo. The photo is processed and look at the results. On the left side again is the before. It's a really old photo, so the quality was pretty bad. And on the right side is the after. And look at that. It looks actually like a drawing. It looks really nice. I like how this is super sharp. If I zoom in on this face, you can see all the details are really nice. We're seeing everything in the photo that we should see. This tool really refined the details. It made the size also larger. You can see the pixel size here. It got bigger. It got rid of all that noise there that we see on the left side. Look at the face, that had a lot of noise in the photo and that's all gone. If you have old photos and you want to bring back those memories, this works great. You can put this in a photo album with all your old memories. I'm gonna close this one. Now let's do another one so we can really compare the difference between different images. I'm gonna do this image now. You can see it's a really old one. It's from 1916, so it's pretty much over 100 years old. The image is damaged all over. It got scratches, it got stains, it got everything like it's super old. Look at that. We now have a 4K image and look at the quality. It's all fixed up. If I zoom in on this photo, you can see the face got better, clothing got better, those scratches, they are all gone. Let me zoom in here and look at the other parts of the photo and everything is fixed. Even the writing here looks better. All those stains that you could see on the left side, it's all gone. Those scratches are gone. And even the paper here that was cut off, it's all back now. So basically this whole image is fixed up and it looks like a perfect photo now. And the cool thing about this is it still looks like a really old photo, but the quality is just great. And you can basically just scan your whole family album and throw it into ArtGuru and it's gonna fix all your photos at once. And when you're done with everything, just click on download and you can download the original size or the HD upscale. There you go, restored photos in minutes and no editing skills required and no annoying ads slowing you down. Plus you can do this on your phone with the iOS or Android app. And if you want to try it yourself, the link to ArtGuru is in the description of the video. It is free to start and no login needed. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.